What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Vegas style burger. While the inspiration for the hamburger did come from Hamburg, the sandwich concept was invented much later in the 19th century. Beef from German Hamburg cows were minced and combined with garlic, onions, salt and pepper, then formed into patties to make Hamburg steaks. Before I show you my secret, I'm just gonna take a quick bite. And savor this moment. And it's okay to be messy. This is Vegas. What happens here stays in here. Alright, class is in session. First thing we need to do is to defrost our patties. I will be combining ground beef and ground pork. Let's start cutting our onions. Cut it nicely. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'll show you why. Up. Then we are going to put the garlic and the onion together and we're going to blend it up. In a bowl, let's mix all our ingredients together. Let's start off with our ground pork. Then we're gonna put the ground beef next. And of course, our special blended concoction. Generous amount of pepper, a hint of salt, crack an egg, and now for the fun part, let's mix all of our ingredients together. Put the oil in, check if it's hot, and I used a small plate to portion my patty, but you can always use a bigger plate. Cook the patty until it's well done. Put a slice of cheddar cheese, and I think we are ready for our final step. Alright, it's now time to assemble our burger. Let's open this and let's start off with a brioche bun. Just put some A1 steak sauce and some ranch. Spread it. Put our Vegas style patty. Let's put some raw onion rings, tomatoes. It's gonna be good. Put some more sauce on top. And let's also put a little Tabasco. Top it with the lettuce. There you have it. Thank you for dropping by my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.